सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Jhalam just jashi. In the place of jhal, when jhal pratyahara, when it is followed by jash pratyahara, then jal will be replaced by jash. This is the niyama. But this sutra is not applicable in bhashya and all. This will help when we do prakriya of like Rama Shabda and Bhudhatu Bhavati Shabda. Bhudhatu, how it becomes Bhavati, Rama Shabda, how it becomes Ramaha. In those prakriyas only this sutra will applicable. Not in Bhashya and all, it is not required. Jal, when it is followed by Jash, then Jal will be replaced by Jash. Jal means all these letters along with Hakara also. Hakara I haven't write here. Hakara. When Ka, Kha, Gha, when these letters are followed by Jash, then these letters will be replaced by Gakara. Cha, 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 Ja, up to Ja only. These three letters, Cha, Cha, Ja. These three letters supposed to replaced by Ja. But there is exceptional sutra, Popo Chupu. By that sutra, Jakara is not replaced by in the place of Cha, Cha, Ja. So it will replaced by Kavarga, but that is different. Right now we don't need to worry. So we have to know if there is Ka, Kha, Gha, it is followed by Jash, then Gakara will come. That is one point. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha. In these four letters also, Ta, Tha, Dha. These three letters, when it is followed by Jash, then Daka supposed to replaced by Dakara. But Podaha Sutra comes and negate this sutra. So this in these three letters, in this third, in these three letters, it is not replaced by Dakara. So here we don't need to worry about Cha, Tha, these four letters. It is not selecting all. Then Ta, Tha, Dha. These three letters replaced by Da. Pa, Pha, Bha replaced by Ba. So oral we should know Prathama Varga, chaturtha varga, panchama varga. These three only will be replaced by the ba. Then sha, sha, sa, these are remaining. Sha will be replaced by ja, sha will be replaced by da, sa will be replaced by da. Then hakara. Hakara also won't be replaced. I think hakara, for hakara hodaha sutra, for this dakara, for this there are no udaharanas, not exceptional sutra. Ta, ta, dha. These three replaced by the, such examples are not there. Is this clear?
ఒకసారి తెలుగులో
క, ఖ, ఘ వచ్చినప్పుడు వీటి తర్వాత జష్ ఉంది అని అంటే అప్పుడు ఇవి గా మారుతాయి, ఈ 3 లెటర్స్. ఈ చ, ఛ, ఝ కూడా జాగా మారాలి, కానీ చోహో కుహు సూత్ర ద్వారా ఇది అపవాదం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి జాగా మారదు. ట, ఠ, ఢ ఇవి కూడా డాగా మారాలి, కానీ ఉదాహరణలు అనేటువంటివి లేవు దీనికి, కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా వర్తించట్లేదు. త, థ, ధ జస్ట్ ని ఫాలో అయినప్పుడు ద వస్తుంది. ఈ 3 కూడా దా ప్లేస్ లో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది, ఈ 3 ప్లేస్ లో దాని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. ప, ఫ, భ బాగా మారుతుంది, బాగా మారుతాయి జస్ట్ ని ఫాలో అయినప్పుడు. ష స్థానంలో జ వస్తుంది, షా స్థానంలో డ వస్తుంది, సా స్థానంలో ద వస్తుంది. హా కూడా ఏ అక్షరంతోనూ మారడం లేదు ఈ సూత్ర ప్రకారం. Is this clear?
yes.
Others? If you don't understand also, don't worry about this sutra. So I have written all this. I think I don't need to explain. Whatever I explained, all these points. Kha, kha, ga, gha. Etesham jashtve krite. Tesham sthane. When ka, kha, ga, gha, when it is followed by jash, then tesham sthane. Ka, kha, ga, gha sthane. Gakaraha vidhiyate. Gakara will come. Example is do, dhum. Gakara, before one step should be there.
It should be do, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Do, dhum. Kakara replaced by gakara because it is followed by jash. Jash means what?
Jabagadash.
That is jash. Mahaprana jha. Cha, ha, jabhai, payavaranam, nyamagaranam, jabhai, gadadesh. Tha. Gadha. These letters are Jash. Jabhagadadha, Jabhagadada. Nothing but these two vargas. Jabhagadada, Jabhagadada. Okay. I am explaining. Sorry. Dugdham. Next is second point is cha, cha, jha, jha. In all of these letters, whenever it is followed by jash, not this jash, this jash, then jashtva should come. But it won't come by choho kuhu. This sutra comes and do apavada, negate. Ta, tha, da, dha. In all these places, dakara should come. But there are no examples. Ta, tha, da, dha. In all these places, dakara will come. Like example is given, bodh, dhru. This mahaprana dakara changed into alpa prana dakara. Next, papha, babha. In all these places, bakara should come. Like lab, dha. Mahaprana dabha changed into alpa prana ba. Next one, sha, sha, sa. Ha. 4 letters are there. Shakara change into jakara. Brascha. Brascha, brascha. That is sutra, sorry. Okay. This brascha is there, shakara is there. This shakara changed into jakara. Braj. Shakarasya, when murdhanya shakara, this is talavya shakara. When murdhanya shakara is there, then that murdhanya shakara will change into dakara. Alpa prana dakara. Dvish, dvam, vidvam, didvam. Like that. Sakara, dantya sakara. Dantya sakara will change into dakara. And this is the process. Pras, ga, ya. So this sakara changed into dakara. Bhrat, ya. Like that it comes. Then hakara. Hakara, by Hoda Sutra, it will negate. Hakara will not change into dakara. If you don't understand this sutra, if you study Laghu, then it will come again and there it will be easy to understand. Because all this process we will do for each shabda. So when we go on do it, it will become familiar. Sanskrit shabdas. Anusha is there?
Just one question, Purnaji.
Yes.
Yeah. So in this, it says that so it doesn't happen at the. It doesn't have to be at the end of the word, right? It's in the middle of the word also. It will happen.
In the middle of the word only it will come.
So when does that happen? Does that happen anytime uh, uh, it is followed by jhash.
Yes, yes. This
Okay.
jal followed by jash, then it will be replaced by jash.
Always. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank
Nimitta is jash here.
you. Right. Got it.
Is there any other doubt? Okay. Anusha, first one.
दो शिष्य दो बार दो पुस्तक पढ़ते हैं द्वौ छात्रौ द्वौ पुस्तकं पठितवन्तौ वयं पठितवन्तौ
Can you repeat again?
द्वौ छात्रौ द्वौ पुस्तकानि द्वौ पठितवन्तौ
Pustakani, which vibhakti?
बहुवचनं చెప్తున్నాను
Bahuvachanam. Do pustak is dvivachanam or bahuvachanam?
द्विवचनं
What should come there?
पुस्तके
Do is Sarvanama Shabda for Pustakam. Pustakam is which linga?
नपुंसकलिङ्ग
Napumsakalinga, do Shabda. What is the Rupa?
द्वयं
Ve. Now you tell
पुस्तकं पठितवन्तौ
Patitavanta.
पठितवन्तः ओके
Patita.
वन्तौ అన్నాను నేను పఠితవంతः
Which pratyaya it is?
సారీ పఠితవంతः
No. What is the pratyaya there?
పట్ పఠి పట్టమ్మ
Pat. What is, which Rupa is that? Patitavataha? Which Lakara?
అమ్మ అది లంగ్లకార అమ్మ పడితే అంటే లోట్లకారమ్మ పట్టద్దు
Patatu. Patatu. Patitavataha. No. Which Lakara you are saying Patitavataha? It is
యాక్చువల్లీ
Shan.
అమ్మ
It is Shan. It is Vatu Pratyaya actually. We have not studied. Okay, Pat Dhatu. What is the Lat Lakara? पढ़ते हैं लट लकारा.
పట్టతः అమ్మ
Patataha. Now you tell the
Here is lang lakara, right?
which one?
Patte hai is past tense.
Past tense.
Yeah, so it should be lang, right?
No,
Okay.
I think it should be lat lakara only. It is present tense.
అపటతాం
Yeah, it is present tense. Yeah, it is present tense.
Okay.
It would have been the if it was, or the if it was past.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Lat lakara we will go. Now you tell the vakya.
ద్వౌ ఛాత్రౌ द्वे पुस्तके द्वे पठतः
Why dve patataha? दो बार means द्विवारं. द्वौ शिष्यौ द्विवारं द्वे पुस्तके पठतः.
पुस्तकं पठितः. ओके.
द्वौ शिष्यौ द्विवारं द्वे पुस्तके पठतः. हाँ, नेक्स्ट अपर्णा जी.
Should I just speak, say it in Sanskrit, or you want me to read it in Hindi?
Yeah, you can tell Sanskrit.
Okay. द्वे कन्यां द्वे प्रकारं द्वे पत्रे लिखतः.
हाँ, द्वे. What is that after that?
कन्यां द्वे प्रकारं द्वे पत्रे
Kanyam is
लिखतः.
Kanyam is which vibhakti?
प्रथमः. It is
When dve comes.
एकवचनं. द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनं. कन्ये. द्वे कन्ये द्वे प्रकारं द्वे पत्रे लिखतः.
हाँ. So दो प्रकार से they have given द्विधा. द्विधा.
द्विधा प्रकारं.
No, there is no prakara. Prakara means dvidha. That dha includes prakara. Huh. Okay, can you repeat again?
Sure. द्वे कन्ये द्विधा द्वे पत्रे लिखतः.
द्वे.
कन्ये
हाँ.
द्विधा द्वे
हाँ.
पत्रे लिखतः. Is that okay? Should I repeat again?
Yes. No. Yes.
Okay.
Next, Prabhaji.
Yeah. Okay. So, दोनों बालक दुगुना खाना खाते हैं. Okay. द्वौ, no, ubha is what they are asking. So ubhau balakau, for duguna, dvividha, sorry. Dvividham, no, that will be prakara, right? It is quantity. So duguna is will be duguna, dviguna. Sorry.
Huh.
So it will be dvau balakau dviguna khana will be bhojanam dviguna bhojanam. So will it be dvigunam bhojanam?
Dvigunaha.
Okay. Dvigunaha bhojanam bhunkte, no, bhunktaha. Or khadatah. Right?
Khadataha.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the whole vakya again?
Dvau balakau द्विगुणः भोजनं खादतः.
Next, Sirisha ji.
छात्र वहाँ खेलते हैं. So can we say छात्र युगलम?
Yes.
छात्र युगलम तत्र क्रीडतः.
Yes. So we can use either one. Chhatra yugalam.
द्वे
Yes. No. Whenever yugala, yuga, dvayam, dvayi, these shabdas comes, it should be always napumsakalinga ekavachanam. That is the niyama given in Number
85.
85. Yes. Niyama 85. By that niyama, it says like yugala, yuga, dvayam, dvayi. Whenever these shabdas comes, it should be napumsakalinga ekavachanam. So we should use chatra yugalam or chatra yuga, chatra yugam, chatra dvayam, chatra dvayi. Any of these we can use. They have given chatra dvayi, but they said use napumsakalinga ekavachanam only. In that example also, the chatra dvayi they have given. So we can exclude that dvayi shabda. We can use yugalam, yugam, dvayam. These three. And kriya padam should be followed by karta. So chatra yugalam, when we say it is ekavachanam, it should be kridati. Is this clear?
Yes, Purnaji, thank you.
Shivananji? Shivananji, are you there?
देर मध्य धो भौरे दो प्रकार से घूम रहे. What is the दो भौरे दो प्रकार से घूम रहे हैं. दो means द्वि. भौरे means
This B.
okay. दो भौरे B.
In Sanskrit, dvirefaha, they have given the word. In Shabdakosha, dvirefaha.
द्विरेफः.
Yes, that is bumblebee. They have given the name bumblebee. Dvirefaha.
द्विधा. Okay. Okay. Got it. द्विरेफः. Like that. दो भौरे. द्विरेफः. दो प्रकार से.
Dvirefaha is which vachana?
द्विरेफः is बहु द्विवचना. So dvau.
Then dvirefaha bahuvachana,
Dvau.
what should come?
Dvau.
No, dvirefaha is ekavachana. So for that, what is the vivachana shabda?
Sorry, ma, once again, please.
Dvirefaha is ekavachana. Prathama ekavachana. What is the vivachana shabda?
दो. द्विवचन शब्द is द्विवन.
Like two Ramas when we say Dvau Ramau. We are not saying Dvau Ramaha, we are not saying Dvau Ramau. Both shabdas should be in Dvivachana. Here how it should be?
Dvau Bhaurau.
Dvau Dvirefau.
Okay. Dvau Dvirefau. Okay. द्वौ द्विरेफौ दो प्रकार से द्विविधः रमते.
Dvidha.
Okay. द्विविधः, दो प्रकार से द्विविधः is given.
It's given, you see, after g at the end in Shabdakosha, third last line, dvidha, दो प्रकार से.
Okay, okay. Okay. द्विधा. Okay. द्विधा. द्विधा घूम रहे हैं. रमते. रमतः.
Brahma. What is the Kriya Pada?
भ्रमतः.
Brahmataha. Brahmataha, Dvivachanam it should be. Right?
Yes, sir.
Brahmati, Brahmataha. Now, can you finish the whole Vakya?
No problem. द्वौ द्वौ द्विरेफौ द्विधा भ्रमतः.
Brahmataha, Visarga. Next, Uma.
Okay. दंपति ने पुत्र को अवलंबन दिया. दंपति पुत्राय अवलंबेते और आलंबेते.
Dampati, whenever it comes, it should be in which vibhakti? Which vachana?
Dvivachana.
Dvivachana. What is the Dvivachana form?
For dampati.
I
thought it was dampati. Same. No?
Dampati, Ekaranta Shabda. Okay. If we take Strilinga, then Dampati comes. If it is Pullinga, Dampato comes. Okay.
Yeah, the word is there in that Niyama 85. That's why I used the same word. Dampati, Pitarau, Ashvinau. So.
Yes. Dampati is the correct. Sorry. Can you repeat the Vakya again?
Dampati, and then I used Chaturthi for Putra. Putraya Alambete or Avalambete.
It is which Lakara?
It is Lat Lakara only I took.
Okay, is it not past tense?
Diya maybe. Yeah, we can take Avalambana. Diya, yes, it is past tense. So then it will be Lang Lakara. So it will be Alambetam or Avalambetam.
Alambetam.
Correct. Yeah.
Yes. Then next one, Upendraji.
One question for the number 6.
Yes.
This the Dampati Putram Alambanam Yachati. Ayachat.
Sorry, I did not understand question.
No, just a statement. Wouldn't this make sense? That's what I wanted to ask. Dampati Putram Alambanam Ayachat.
Putram. We can take Dvitiya also. Dvitiya also can come.
Alambanam Ayachat. So then should I change that to Chatuर्थी?
Alambanam ayachat.
Yeah.
But alamb is also dhatu. If you see upasarga purvak lamb dhatu.
Mm.
Alambetam. It is alamb is not the noun. It is verb. Lamb is the dhatu. Ang upasarga purvak alambetam.
So then it will be Dampati Putraya Alambetam.
Putram alambetam or putraya alambetam.
So it can be either Chatuर्थी or Chaturthi.
It is based on how we take the meaning.
Okay.
దంపతిభ్యాం రాగా ఇక్కడ
Dampatibhyam, which vibhakti?
తృతీయ
No, it is Prathama only.
ఓకే
Upendra ji? Yes. 7th one.
Ashwini Kumar Ashwini Kumar Gnande and Ashwini Kumar Ashwinau Gnanam they Amma, this I have to take in Agnartha.
Yes.
Dada Ashwinau Kumar Gnan Dada.
Ashwinau is enough. Kumara, we don't need to use. If we use Kumara also, then Ashwinau Kumarau.
Yes, Amma. Ashwinau Gnanam Dada. Is it okay, Amma?
Dada is not the Shabda.
Dada tu Da H Dhatu we have to take no ma.
Adattam. Oh, sorry, Lord Lakara. Dadatam. Dudai Dani. Dadatam. Dudai Dani. Dadatam.
How do we know it, Amma?
Which one?
Yes, well, I'm trying to write all this. I'm feeling difficult, Amma. Because
When we go on practice, it will come.
Lakara and also choosing the dhatu. And in Hindi, if it is Gnan De, then what I have to take, is taking time. For that, okay, as you said, language is not one day's phenomenon. You have to continuously put effort.
Avritti Rasakrit Upadeshat. This is the Brahma Sutra, Sadhana Adhyaya, first sutra, I think, or fourth chapter, first sutra. This is Avritti Asakrit Upadeshat. Continuously we have to do the practice. Abhyasa. Abhyasam vina vidya visham, they say. Without abhyasa, vidya is like visham only. Means nothing will be helpful without abhyasa. So when we should just go on doing this practice, and in our buddhi should feel like free. ఎప్పుడైతే కష్టంగా భావిస్తామో అప్పుడు నేర్చుకోవడానికి కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. బుద్ధి ఫ్రీ అయిపోయింది అని అంటే మనం ఒక్కసారి చూసినా ఒక్కసారి చదివినా అది బుద్ధిలో కూర్చుంటుంది. బుద్ధిలో అటువంటి భావం ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది తొలగిపోవాలి ఫస్ట్. నాకు ఇది వస్తుందా లేదంటే నాకు ఇది వస్తుందా, ఇటువంటి ఆలోచన ఎప్పుడైతే తొలగిపోతుందో అప్పుడు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది, ఈజీగా వస్తాయి అన్ని కూడా. ఇక్కడ దాదాతు దుదాయి దానే ఉపయోగించవచ్చు, లేదా దాదాతు దానే ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దాదాతు వాదిగణ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్. Dudai dane juhotyadgana. These two dhatus we can use. If it is vadigana, then lang lakara, lot lakara will be yachatam. Both can be used. Both
So
are correct.
Purnaji, can Dvivachanam not come? It's Ashwinau, right? It's Dvivachanam.
Yachatam is dvivachanam only. Lot lakara dvivachanam. Dadatam is also dvivachanam.
Dadetam, right? Dadetam.
Dadetam. Dadatam. Lot lakara dadatam. Atpare pare. Dattam dadatam.
We are saying dadetam
Dadetam in the Ashtadhyaya.
with dat dhatu. I don't know if that's the right dhatu.
What is the meaning is there for dadatu? Dudai dane? Is that
Yeah,
the
Dudai dane. Dudai dane bhavadi gana. It is dadetam is what Ashtadhyaya is showing us.
Let me check. Dudai dane. For this dhatu,
It says dadam dane. It doesn't say dudai dane.
Dad. The yours is da, right? Ours is
Oh,
dad.
okay. That's the difference. Okay. So we should not use dad. We should use da. Is it?
1 minute. I look at this.
Hmm.
This da dane we can use vadigana. This da dudai dane we can use. This da plavane is not correct. And
No,
thou
but there is another dhatu, dad, the halanta.
dad. No.
That is what we got stuck on.
Okay. This is dudai dane or dan dane. These two we can use.
Okay. Thank you.
What is the meaning given for that?
Dadam dane. I
Dadam.
don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the difference in the two danas are. That one.
Dadadane. This is also Vadigana only. It is also same, we can use this also. Yes, there is no wrong.
Okay, so then there it is, here it is dadetam, and what you used with da is dadata, right? So, okay, thank you.
Huh. As long as meaning is correct for dhatu meaning is same, we can use any dhatu. But ganas are different. That doesn't change anything. Like here we got the three dhatus for dani. So three we can use. Really we can use. Dadetam, here it is there. Okay.
Amma, what would be the final sentence, Amma? Ashwinau Gnanam.
Jnana. What is the Kriya Pada?
What should I write here, Amma, as
Ah,
answer? Which Kriya?
It can be dadetam, dadatam, yachatam. Three can come.
Can you repeat, Amma, please?
Okay. Dadetam,
Dadeta,
dadatam,
Dadatam,
yachatam.
Yachatam. Amma, what taken for Dadeta? Can you tell the root, Amma, here? Dadeta.
Yes. Dadetam. For that, this is the dad is the dhatu.
Dadatu. Okay.
For the other two, you see here. Dadatam. For that, dudai dani.
Dudai. Dudai Dana.
Dani.
Okay, Amma.
For what is the another form with it? Dadatam. For that, dan dani.
Amma, other is Yachatam, you said, Amma. Dadatam, for that, Dudai Dane. Yachatam.
Yachatam. For yachatam, dan dani. Three can be used as long as meaning is correct, meaning is same, whichever dhatu we can use.
Okay. Thanks, Amma. Hari Amma.
Next one. Vijayaji.
जो लड़की यहाँ आई थी वह गई या बालिका अत्र ఇక్కడ ఆగత వాడొచ్చా లేకపోతే ఆగచ్చత వాడొచ్చా ఆగచ్చతి వాడొచ్చా
Agachat.
ఆగచ్చత్
Past
యా
tense.
బాలిక అత్ర ఆగచ్చత్ సా గచ్చత్ గచ్చత్ గచ్చతి
Saka.
వహ వహ
Saka.
గయి
Okay. Sa balika.
సా బాలిక వహ is
What
there
did you say that? What did you say the Kriya Pada? Gai.
आगच्छत् और आगच्छति sorry गच्छति और गच्छत्
Agachat.
गई अगच्छत्
Agachat. So agachat is also lang lakara, agachat is also lang lakara. But agachat is came. Agachat is went.
okay
या बालिका अत्र आगच्छत् सा बालिका agachat. So balika, it is not given. We can use either. We can use or we won't. Next one, Anusha.
Punaji, there is another niyama, right? Yatha, tatha. Should
Yes.
that be used?
That yeah. Yatha means just as. Tatha, so as. So here that is not the meaning. So here meaning is ye balika aite. So ye balika aite, when we say we use ya, yat shabda, yat and tat. So balika is strilinga shabda, pratham purusha ekavachanam. Yat shabda strilinga prathama ekavachanam is ya. Then tat is strilinga ekavachanam. Tat strilinga ekavachanam is sa. Ya, sa. Ya balika, sa balika. That way.
Yeah, thank you.
It's the next niyama, that niyama numbers 87.
Actually, this niyama only, yatha tatha, this niyama only, but it is not only just like yatha tatha, not only that one. For yat tat, we can use yat tat, all vibhaktis.
Oh, okay. Then is it same as, I was just trying to distinguish between the two niyamas. I was trying to understand. So is it Sapeksha Sarvanama, which is 86?
Yes. That Sapeksha Sarvanama is this niyama.
86, okay. And not 87, where there also there was an example of Saha Abhashata Yat Madhuna Gamishyam.
That example will come.
Okay, all right.
We'll see that example. They have given here also example, and in this exercise also it is given. We'll see that. But this is clear, right? With which niyama is this? Sakshapada 86. Sapeksha Sarvanama. Next one, Anusha.
जिस मनुष्य में विद्या है उसमें बल है यस्य पुरुषस्य ज्ञानं भवति तस्य बलं भवति अस्ति
Saptami we have to use. If we want to use Saptami, what will be the Vakya?
जिस मनुष्य में विद्या है उसमें बल है
Saptami, you use Saptami.
यस्य पुरुषस्य ज्ञाने भवति तस्य बलं भवति
Yasya is which vibhakti?
षष्ठ्यम्
Shashti. What is the Saptami for Yasya?
Is it Yasmin?
Yes. Yasmin.
पुरुषस्य पुरुषे
Purushe. Leda Manushe.
मनुष्ये ज्ञानं भवति यस्मिन् बलं भवति भवति
उसमें means what?
Tasmin.
Tasmin.
बलम् अस्ति
Now you finish the Vakya.
यस्मिन् पुरुषे ज्ञानं भवति तस्मिन् बलम् अस्ति.
Next one.
Imagine instead of Jnanam, can we use Vidyayam?
No. Vidya, here should be Ekavachana. In whose, I don't know how to translate in English.
No.
We can say in that
In
man.
the person, in that,
Yeah, in
yeah,
the
in that person who has Vidya, he also has Balam. That's right. So then,
In whichever person.
Hmm.
In whichever person knowledge is there, in that person
Balam is okay.
strength is there. So when we say Jnanam is there, strength, Balam is there, those should be in Ekavachana. Okay, next one. Aparna ji.
Vidya. पिता ने बालक से कहा कि जल ला. पिता बालकं जलम आनय भाषते.
Mata is also there.
Oh yeah. माता पिता ने बालक से कहा कि जल लाओ. And I can say पितरौ बालकं जलम आनय भाषते.
Pitarau balakam
jalam anaya kaha. So I should said bhashate, but we can say vadate.
Here this 87 niyama will apply here. माता पिता ने बालक से कहा. So पितरौ balakam avadat said. What they said?
Jalamanaya.
So what they said, for that yat shabda we have to use. Like parents told to balak that bring
water.
For that shabda we have to use yat. So here only using yat, not tat. So that's why it is not given sapeksha sarvanama. In that niyama it is not given. Only yat shabda will come, tat shabda won't come.
Okay, thank you. That was very clear.
So pitarau balakam jalam anaya avadat.
No, avadat will go with balakam. Pitarau balakam avadat. They said that means we have to use yat.
Yat jalam anaya.
Can you say again?
Yes. Pitarau balakam avadat yat jalam anaya.
Yes.
So in this example, it said abhashata. There is no such word as abhashat. It is avadat. Is that the right usage?
Abhashat. Is that?
No? It is abhashata. It is a different lakara.
It's in rule number 87 as well.
Yeah, 87 is where I'm looking. The word abhashata was used, but in our example, is that the right Abhashat or avadat. Is that the right?
Abhashata, vaktayam, vyaktayam, vachi. So to speak. Avadat, vad dhatu,
Hmm.
to speak. Vyaktayam, vachi.
Okay, so it's correct to use both, either.
Let me check the lang lakara form.
Huh.
Yeah, avadat.
Okay, thank you.
So you can use either of them, right?
Yes, we can.
Avadat or
One
Avadat.
question here.
Huh.
Because it says Pitarau, shouldn't
Huh.
it be Avadattam? Dvivachanam?
Yes. It should be avadatam only.
next.
Pitaram,
It
putram,
says,
avadatam.
yeah, in the Niyama it says Napunsaka Linga Ekavachana,
Ekavachanam.
but that is for yat.
The name
In
is
the
given.
Niyama 87, यत शब्द जब की अर्थ में आता है तब वह नपुंसकलिंगम एकवचन ही रहता है. So what is the kriya pada? Will it go with the
That is for yat alone, I think. Not for Pitarau.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Yeah, it is for yat shabda only. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om